Hi student, I am going to do the sums in exercise 4.4 and 4.3 to find the nature of the roots of the quadratic equations ax square plus bx plus c. See, the general equation, as I have already mentioned, quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c. Now, let's do the sum. 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. We have to find the nature of the roots. Without finding the root, we have to find. So, b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. As you know, a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 5. Substitute the value, respective values, b minus 3, 4 into 3 into 5. So 9 minus 4 2s are 8, 40. Obviously 9 minus 40 is minus 31, which is lesser than 0. So what is the condition? If b square minus 4ac, the discriminant is less than 0, then the roots are unreal. So sometimes we can say no roots exist, real roots exist, we can say, or roots are unreal or imaginary roots, we can say. In previous sum, the roots does not exist. Now let's see second sum. b is equal to minus 4 root 3, a is equal to 3 and c is equal to 4. b square minus 4ac, the discriminant, substitute the value minus 4 root 3 the whole square minus 4 into 3 into 4. Obviously 16 into 3, 48. 48 minus 48, 0. What is the condition? b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Then the roots are equal and real. And real. So, we must give the conclusion. Roots are real and equal, exist. Let's do the third sum. a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to 3. For every sum, if you do this sort of workout, you will not make mistake. You will never make mistake. So, write the discriminant and substitute each and every value, respective values, right? Minus 6 the whole square, minus 4 into 2 into 3. 6 6 are 36, minus which is greater than 0. So, roots are unequal and real if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.